This ultra creamy mac and cheese uses one secret step, and once you try it, you'll never go back flushed face. 200g elbow macaroni. 1 liter water. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 2 cups milk. 1 cup cheddar cheese grated. Half a cup mozzarella cheese grated. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon paprika. Boil 1 liter water, 1 teaspoon salt. Add 200g macaroni. Cook for 7 minutes, then drain. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons butter on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons flour. Cook for 1 minute until slightly golden, don't burn. Slowly pour 2 cups milk. Keep stirring to avoid lumps. Cook for 3 minutes until it thickens into a smooth sauce. Add half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon paprika, mix well. Lower heat, add 1 cup cheddar cheese, stir until melted. Add half a cup mozzarella cheese, mix until extra creamy. Add boiled macaroni. Mix gently until fully coated. Cook for 1 more minute. This is the secret step that makes it super creamy. Be honest, did you like it creamy or extra creamy? Comment your style, I'm reading every reply.